Back at it, man. Give y'all full walkthrough, man. Walk around, let y'all see what it's looking like. The carpet got dirty from the shoes, man. I'm out here and got them dirty, man. So I was gonna get a new carpet. This carpet was gray. I painted it. That's right. I painted it, dyed it, whatever you wanna call it. I didn't got it dirty. Got wires hanging up because we're gonna put a new dash up in now. This one got to come out. So you can see that 2018 console looking real good up in there. It ain't like these my mats here I ordered off eBay. Actually sent me the wrong kind. And the wrong kind. They were just supposed to be all black, say Camaro on them. But I ended up getting this. That's what I ended up getting. And the seats are not bolted in. I don't even got the seat belts on clips up in yet. I just sat them in. See how it look. Look good. Tweeter poking out over there. Not done painting yet. I can't wait to paint. Got a little shine to it. Ain't even no clear on that thing yet. Ain't even no clear. Ain't even done painting. But that's where we at. Got that replacement panel. See where we at with it. Console just look good in there, man. It belong in there. See. You know, y'all noticed something? I took that off. Camaro sign, it's not there no more. Took it off. Going a different route. Side strips coming off too. These are all coming off and fill this and this line in with Bondo. I want it to be straight. I don't want this. It's an old look. And I also put these in too, man. This review mirror, I bought this. This coming out, it's too small. I don't want that. But I actually bought these. These go to 2020 Camaro. And they fit perfect. They fit perfect, guys. They fit perfect. I just have to do some wiring to the ones and make those lights work. Other than that, fit good. I still haven't bolted this in. Haven't bolted this in yet, but it's holding pretty good though. So those go to a 2020. And I also I got something in the mail today. I don't know if I'm gonna be using it. I got this. It's the overhead light that goes right here. But it's too big, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go with it. I thought I was. Thought I was. It's actually backwards. Yeah, guys, but it just looks too tight with the these things right here are touching. So I don't think I'll be able to do that. These are touching, unless I could break away this outer shell of it, and then maybe I could put it in. I don't know. Maybe that's all I need to do is break away these ends, cut it straight down on both sides. Maybe it'll fit right in. I had I don't know why I bought that. I know I need a light up here. I know I need a light up here. You know, I also put this it's my first time, guys, actually like working on cars like this. I actually put this in myself. This a headliner. It has suede material on it. It fits good. So only thing is right here, that's because I don't have these bolted in right here, and it holds back up in there to hold it in like that. That's the only reason why it sags like that a little bit. But other than that, it's in perfect. It looks good. It just looks good. So I'm not really worrying about that. The guys where I was gonna take it to, they were trying to charge me about $250 just to put that in, and I just wasn't with it. I felt like I could do it, and I did it. So we got that out of the way. Now we got to get this dash out of the way. And I was also thinking about changing this cluster, man. What y'all think about that? What y'all think about changing this cluster? I want to go digital. Like, I don't think this cluster, I like it. It's okay. Ain't nothing wrong with these type of clusters, but I do want to go with a new model, like a newer type of cluster. So y'all go in the comment section and tell me what you think about that. If you think I can go with a digital cluster, you think that'll look better in here? Think that'll look better? I like this dash. I do like the dash. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's cool. It's alright. But for what I'm doing, like the vision that I have for it, like you can see, it's just like it's out of date. The style of it is out of date. The cluster is out of date. And then you go down and you see the new console. Like, it just looks so good. It looks very good in here. So it's only right to match it with the dash, y'all. Cause I don't plan on going back to that 4th gen console. I don't plan on doing that. Fits good. I kept my boot because on the new shifter boots, it doesn't have that button. On these right here, you need a button unless you can modify your shifter boot to the point where you can push in somehow. But this is actually one that's in good condition. I found it at a junkyard. I was out there getting the quarter panel, and I found this, and I got it because the one that I had was all raggedy. It was broke down right here, peeling off, so I got this one. And it feels good. It's like almost new. Almost. It's just dirty, got a little dirt on it. But I just wanted to give y'all pretty much like a full view of the car, so y'all can pretty much see how it is. Like, I know I did 2 videos before, but I haven't actually like showed y'all what it's looking like. And I gotta get that window motor back on there. It fell off. The screws that I had used in it were too small for the hole I drilled, so they just kept falling out. I gotta put some new ones in. It'll be alright though. And I got some door panels. You know, the door panels that I had, I redone them and I painted them black. And I also put new suede material on them. They was a gray. They looked a mess. Just they was like matching the seats. The old seat cloth, they was just looking a mess. Oh. Well, y'all, I'm out of here, man. Y'all tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.